Hey everyone, welcome back to Gearhead Central. Today we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Jeep Recon EV, an all-electric off-road SUV that's making waves long before it even hits most dealership floors. Jeep has been teasing electric capability for years, and the Recon finally puts that idea into motion with real hardware, real range, and actual off-road credibility. Let's talk about what makes this thing such a big deal for the off-road world and what you can expect inside, outside, and under the skin. Starting with the design, the 2026 Recon EV doesn't shy away from looking like a Jeep. Boxy proportions, upright glass, chunky fenders, and the signature 7-slot grille make it instantly recognizable. However, since it's an EV, the grille is mostly closed off for aerodynamics, while the lighting is modernized with crisp LEDs that wrap around the front. The Recon also takes inspiration from the Wrangler with removable doors and a retractable roof system that gives drivers an open-air experience without compromising structural rigidity. Short overhangs, high approach angles, and big all-terrain tires complete the look, making it clear this isn't just an electric crossover that looks rugged. It's built to get dirty. Performance is where things get interesting. The Recon rides on the Stellantis STLA Large platform and uses dual electric motors for instant torque and genuine four-wheel capability. While Jeep hasn't gone crazy with exact numbers yet, expectations point toward competitive horsepower and a driving range suitable for longer adventures, especially with the efficiency benefits of electric torque delivery. Low-end torque from electric motors should make climbing, rock crawling, and trail maneuvers feel effortless compared to traditional gas powertrains. Jeep's Selec-Terrain drive modes carry over as well, giving drivers presets for mud, snow, sand, and rock. Combined with electronic locking differentials and underbody protection, the Recon promises to behave like a Jeep should once the pavement ends. Inside, the 2026 Recon EV blends rugged utility with a more modern sensibility. Jeep's new generation infotainment runs through a large center display with EV-specific data such as range estimates, terrain power usage, and route planning for off-road charging points. Materials lean toward durable and easy-to-clean surfaces, which makes sense for a vehicle likely to see mud, dust, and weather. Seating is supportive, visibility is commanding, and the cabin layout keeps physical controls for the essentials, striking a balance between tech and practicality. Unique features help the Recon stand out in a crowded electric SUV segment. The open-air design combined with electric power is practically unmatched. Jeep also plans integrated trail mapping and over-the-air updates that include trail recommendations and vehicle calibration tweaks. Add in modular accessories, roof racks, recovery gear integration, and custom software, and you get an EV that still embraces adventure culture rather than abandoning it. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.